Hello my dear children, how are you? I'm your teacher Nadia and today I brought very interesting lesson for you. My dear children, when we finish all the sounds and the letters, what we have to do? Today I will go to the garden. Which garden? I will go to the Letterland garden and I will pick some sounds from them. And then I will tell you which sounds are these and what we call them. Okay, so before that you must subscribe my channel, like my video and share my video, my dear children, right? So come with me. We shall go to the garden and we shall pick some flowers, some sounds from this garden, right? Okay, come and I will show you the garden of the letters. Yes, this is the garden of the letter. We have done already all the phonics, all the letters of this garden, right? Why I am calling it garden? Because it's very colorful, it's very amazing and with different things. Yes, when we say the sound, so we can just click in our mind when we say the sound of a. So just come an apple in our mind. Yes, an apple. So see my dear children, this is the garden of the sounds, right? So you are with me now? Yes. Come with me and we shall pick some flowers, some fruits from this garden, and what we shall make? First we shall pick up some flowers from this garden and we shall make vase of violet flowers. We shall pick them and then we shall put them in the vase, right? Put them in the vase and then we shall see what are these, right? So what we will call them? We shall call them walls. We shall call them? We shall call them walls. How many walls we have in this garden? We have 5 walls. How many walls? 5 walls. So if you are a teacher, you just go to the children and write 5 walls in their fingers, on their fingers. Yes, what is the first wall? A, right? We have picked A. Then this is not a wall, this is not a wall, this is not a wall. And then we shall pick A. Yes, E. E. And what is the sound of E? And then this is not a wall, this is not a wall, this is not a wall, this is a vowel. Yes, wall. My God. So you will write E on this finger. Good. And then we will see what is the wall. Yes, this is the wall. O. So we shall write here O. And then these are not the walls, this is the wall, right? U. Then this is our last wall, U, right? When your children see on their hands, yes, they will see carefully, they will touch, they will try to write on your writing, right? So they will say A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. How many vowels? 5 vowels. How many vowels? 5 vowels. Right. Say the name of vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Very good. So today how many flowers I pick? I picked 5 flowers from this garden. My God, it's very lovely, it's very nice vase, very nice. So I'm going to write these vowels in this vase. Yes, a e eh, I I o u a. Yes, this is the vase of vowels, right? In the vase of vowels, the flowers are what is the flowers? Flowers are violets flowers, right? So we have 5 vowels. Rest of the letters, rest of the sounds are called consonants. What they call? They called consonants. 5 are vowels and the other b, k, d, f, g, h, j, k, l, m, n, p, q, r, s, t, v, w, x, y or z. They are consonants. And my dear children, with vowels and consonants, they both, when we blend the sounds of vowels and the consonants, we make words. When we blend the sounds of both vowels and consonants, then we make words. See, first we will go with the 2-letter words. Then in the next lesson we will make 3-letter words, right? Okay, see. This is our vowel. First vowel, a. And now we shall search the suitable vowels, consonant with it. All, we can put all because we have to make lot of words. But today I will pick up t. At, at. Then n. A, n. At, n, an. Apple, app. Right? Then I will pick the second vowel. Eh. G. Egg. Ahmad. In these 2-letter words, some have some meanings, but some don't have any meaning, right? Don't you worry about that. Then I will pick I sound, I vowel number 3. I. No, in. It has already meaning. With the 2-letter words, it has a meaning. In, at, an, right? Then it has already meaning. What is the meaning of it? It has a meaning. But if it it has no meaning, but later when we put more sounds with it, it will become with the meaning. Okay, now O. O, ox, ox. O, n, on. O, OA sound, OA sound. Then the last sound, A, P, up, T, S. These are the two letter words, right? And in the next lesson we shall make some more words with the help of 3-letter words, right? When we put one more sound with it, see, in the beginning we put k, so it will become cat, cat, right? Similarly, we shall make more a lot of words with the help of blending of sounds, right? We can make 2-letter word sounds. We shall make 3-letter words. We shall make more than 3 letters, right? So it is very interesting. These are the vowels. How many vowels? 5 vowels. How many vowels? 5 vowels. What are these? A, E, I, O, U. And with the phonics, A, I, O, A, right? And the rest of the all sounds, these are the consonants. What are these? These are consonants, and only we have how many vowels? We have 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. And you will make a beautiful vase with the beautiful flowers, and we write A, E, I, O, U, and then we can blend the sounds. When we have all the sounds, all the letters in front of us, we can make many words with the help of vowels and the consonants. Right, my dear children? Thank you. Hope you like this lesson and you like the vowels. They are very helpful. And what we learn the value of from this lesson? We learn helpfulness. What we learn? We learn the value helpfulness from this lesson. How? Why? See, these are the vowels and they are very helpful to the consonant to make the words, right? So that's why we have learned value of helpfulness from this lesson. Hope you like this video. My dear children, keep watching my channel Nadia's Pre-Primary Phonics School and subscribe my channel and share my videos, and my dear children like my videos. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye bye.